Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. So what is it that fearless agents are able to do that other agents are not able to do, either in a listing presentation or any kind of presentation setting or on the phone? Essentially, it is this. What makes you a fearless agent is you always get your question answered. So imagine you're cold calling me and you say, hey Bob, I was just calling to see if you might be thinking of selling your house. And I say, yes, I actually am thinking about selling my house. Then you say, well, where are you moving to? By the way, where are you moving to should be the very first question you ask, not when, where. And then I say, well, listen, how many houses have you sold in my neighborhood? Now, the average agent is going to say, well, I don't know about your particular neighborhood, but my office is very strong in the general area or your zip code or something like that. And that is not what a fearless agent does. A fearless agent would say, well, we'll talk about that in a minute, but where are you moving to? And then they say, oh, I'm moving to Orange, California. And then you say, when is the soonest something like that would ever actually happen? You moving from one house to another house. And then you never end up answering that question that you probably don't have a good answer for. So it's the difference between earning $100,000 a year and $200,000 a year. It's a very big deal. That's one of the magic tricks that we teach you at Fearless Agent. Always get your question answered. And if I can ever help you in any other way, if you ever go to fearlessagent.com, if you'd like to do a complimentary coaching call, if you'd like to be on one of our free teleseminars to give it a little test drive to see if our way and our words work for you, we'd love to have you as a customer. We'd love to help you become a fearless agent. Thank you.